Today we're on the south shore of Staten Island, Village Greens to be exact, 10312 zip code. I am going to take you through this home. It's under $700,000. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2,500 square feet, 2 driveways, 2 balconies, a backyard. It's semi-attached. You gotta come check this property out. Let's go see it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you, now this is 20 Kyle Court. It's located inside of Dover Green. So Dover Green is one entrance in, like that car's coming in. It's a one-way loop, so you have to make a right. You go around, like I said, the loop, it's a circle, and then it's one exit. So you would come around the loop, you go right here, and then you exit right there on the right. So it's one way in, one way out. And if that's not enough in keeping traffic and everything down, 20 Kyle Court is in fact in a court. So it ends right there. It's a little cul-de-sac. So you want to talk about being off the beaten path and no through traffic, and the kids can play football, basketball, whatever in the street. I mean, this is where that would happen. So now let's go inside and check it out. This is a very special model. This is the Richmond model. Most units in here, and there's hundreds of homes, they're all pretty much fully attached. There's only a couple that are semi, and most max out at 3 bedrooms. This one is 4, and it's 4 true bedrooms. We're doing an open house tomorrow, so I'm getting ready. So look, first we have eat-in kitchen / galley kitchen, right? It's set up as a galley, but you do have the eat-in right there behind you. Now this house, these homeowners have lived in here for about 40 years. And then look, here's into another part of your kitchen, dining room, whatever you want to make it. They've been here about 40 years, maybe a little bit more. They love the home. They've taken amazing care of this home, as you could see. So here, right, first floor washer, dryer. That's your HVAC stuff. I don't want to miss this. Let me just show you the garage real quick before we head on. So they've taken excellent care of this home, which you'll figure out as I show it to you. But look how pretty. Sit outside, nice, cute kitchen. Okay, now this is a closet. Okay. Now here's your living room. I mean, you could tell, like, this carpet's probably 30 years old. It's spotless. If that's not an indicator of people taking care of the house, I don't know what is. I feel bad walking on it right now. But this is your living room. Now, before we go upstairs, this really nice 3-season room. And I call it 3-season because it is glass, not just screens. So you could sit out here even into late fall. And then what a lot of people do is they'll put like a mini split somewhere on the wall, and then you could make this a legitimate 4-season room. People make it into offices or whatever. And then here's your yard. Look at your nice yard space. So now, you know, they did some landscaping. You can get rid of all of this and have more room. If you have the need for another driveway, so if you saw there was a driveway, that's the front of the house that way, there was a driveway there, this is a legalized driveway here as well. So you could utilize a second one if need be. If not, like I said, this is all yard space, should you want it. Plus your cool 3-season room. That's actually a built-in shed right there, which is really, really nice. One thing you'll see in this house is that storage is in abundance. So now let's go check out upstairs. I'm going to show you some of the highest ceilings I've ever seen in the house. I love the rug, carpet here. Okay, first I will show you the primary bedroom. Look at that ceiling, look at that. Keeps going and going, I'll show you from a different view. But very large room, as you can see. Balcony. It's a pretty long balcony too. Goes there to there. You're overlooking the yard. Again, look at this. Look at that ceiling. Look how like airy it is in here. Crazy. Now look at your closet. Look at the size of this closet. You have an ensuite bathroom. More than enough space for a dual vanity if you want it, double vanity. Toilet, shower. Look how well kept everything is, really. Okay, hallway. Now, this attic, I'm not gonna go up there today, but this attic is humongous, where some people that own this model, in this community, they've made 2 extra rooms up there. That's how massive it is, like 2 more bedrooms or offices or nursery or whatever. That's how big it is. And they'll put like a spiral staircase, or you'll take a closet out and put a staircase. Now here's the bathroom for the other 3 bedrooms to share. So again, that's the 3rd bathroom in this house. Now look at this room. Again, high ceilings, look at that. And I mean, again, look at the carpet. Again, 30 years old, this carpet. Amazing. Another balcony. This one's off the front of the house. Okay, bedroom number 3. Beautiful room, really is. Easily make this the nursery, the office, like they have it, or a legitimate 4th bedroom. And now look at this, yet again. Look at that ceiling. And look at this wallpaper. This wallpaper is nearly 50 years old, they said. I mean, it's really, really, really cool. Look at this. And again, perfect condition. Everything is perfect condition. It's really unbelievable. A lot of trophies. Look at that ceiling. And that is this house. Plenty of room to move into. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 season room, 2 balconies, garage, 2 driveways. Plenty of space to live in. And you have your nice front yard. And again, I'll show you. Do you see any traffic? Obviously, that's Arden Avenue. There's going to be cars driving there. Do you see any cars here driving at all? Nobody in, nobody out. '20 Kyle Court. Give me a call. This one's gonna go very fast. And I'm not just saying that to be a realtor. Give me a call, thanks.